Most people don't lose money in the market because they lack information. They lose because of emotions, fear, panic, and greed. When markets move fast, staying disciplined becomes almost impossible. And that's exactly why this AI-powered trading tool is rapidly becoming one of the most talked about solutions in trading today. If you want to check out the platform I'm talking about, use the verified link in the description below. Once you register, a dedicated support team member will contact you and walk you through the setup step by step. With a first-time deposit of just €250, you'll unlock the full AI trading toolkit, and in many cases, you may also receive a special cashback bonus to boost your starting balance. So if you're interested, click the link below and secure your access to the platform. Let's be clear, this AI investment platform isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a professional tool. It uses AI-powered market analysis to track price movements, analyze trends, and flag potential opportunities in real time. The goal is simple: less guesswork, fewer emotional mistakes, and a more disciplined approach. Everything runs directly in your browser, no downloads or complicated setups. You can manage it from your desktop, tablet, or phone. One of the best features here is control. With this AI tool, you decide exactly how much support you want. You can adjust risk levels and fine-tune settings to match your personal strategy. And if you're not ready to go live yet, use the demo mode. It's the smartest way to explore the platform and test the AI's logic without risking a single dollar of your own money. This web-based AI application supports the major players you already know, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with other high-volume digital assets. Getting started is straightforward. You register through the official site, complete a quick setup, and make the standard minimum deposit required for live trading. Your funds stay under your control, with no hidden fees for deposits or withdrawals. Security is a priority here. This AI investment tool uses high-level encryption to protect your data and account. They also support multiple payment methods, including standard bank cards and cryptocurrency, to make the process seamless. Here's the bottom line. Because platforms like this are gaining traction, you'll see fake websites making unrealistic promises. Don't fall for them. Their goal is to mislead you. Always stick to the verified official link in the description. It's the only safe entry point. Once you're in, set your preferences, choose your support level, and let the AI handle the heavy analysis while you stay in the driver's seat. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this data-driven approach saves time and keeps you grounded. If you're ready to change how you invest, check out the link below. Invest responsibly, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.